Any more talk to this now? Bring him! This is fucked, man! The thing is blown! I got my share! It's still wide open! Car's up here! Let's go! Move! Come on! The kid might have failed! This wasn't in the job description! Move! 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 Come on, guys!
Hi everyone! Wala kaming net, so
We got a window! Let's go!
Mag-GTA, oo. Walang net eh. Hindi nyo nakikita yung ginagawa? Yung putang ina mo. Nagigigil ako. Hindi pa ako nagpapamanicure, oh my gosh. Can you guys help me with, like, if you want to donate, maglagay tayo ng GCash. Ang bango mo ma. Wait, I'm just gonna play GTA. Hey Kiana, what's up, girl? Ay! Gago! Aberya, nahulog yung ano. Yung coffee. Gawin ko sa inyo, sa amin, bakit? Gaga, oh sige go. Alam, natapon yung kape. Wait, oh my gosh, naglalaro ako. Ipapapon kasi, na-distract tuloy ako. If you ask me... Pero hindi naman nahulog lahat. Kailangan ko daw mag-drive. Hindi ko mapakita kung anong ginagawa ko. Gusto niyo ba makita? Basta yan. Paano ba mapapakita, bro? Ang hira. Ako na lang tingnan mo. Gusto ko na mag-stream talaga. Oh my God. Let's get to the chopper. Shut the fuck up.
We move quick, we can beat the train! We're getting there! Cops! Coming our way! Be cool! We ain't made this far yet!
Kung makita yung map,
I'll
alaro.
believe in this bird when I get eyes on it! Shit! Robot! Go right! Beat the
Robot!
train,
Ang ina ko pala, yung huli mo ako. Bobo, ako na to. Kala nila mahuli nila ako, yung galing ko mag-drive sa GTA. Bakla.
Come on!
Ilang beses ko na natapos to na.
Go this way to the chopper! No! Hey! Stick to the plan! What? Stick to the fucking...
Stick to the fucking plan. Bakit?
plan! Come on!
GTA girly talaga si Alaga kasi nga, like, hindi pa ako nagpapalit ng console ngayon kasi wala pang GTA 6. So, hindi pa ako nagpapalit ng console. Nagpapalit ako ng console kapag kapag may GTA 6 na. Kasi gusto ko laruin yun ng sobrang interactive talaga yun. Tsaka ang ganda ng Kung GTA lang ang labanan, bakla umuwi na lang kayo. Totoong buhay. Kailan ko pa i-charge, bakla. Hindi mo may Ano yung gigigil ako sa mga ko? Ay, wait lang. Papakita ko naman sa inyo para interactive naman tayo na. Di ba mga alaga ako? Kasi gusto ko kasama kayo sa journey. Charot. Charot. Oh, ayan ah. Masyadong malayo ata doon. Ah! Saan ko lalagay, girl? Ang hirap. Aberya pa to eh. Masisira pa yung setup ng balloon eh. Tanggalin daw tong Birkin. Tapos tanggalin daw muna to. Tapos ilipat daw tong...
Not always a good citizen. Did not die, you know. But he was a man.
Ganyan, para nasa
Our
south ako.
Lord.
Tama na daw tong mga introduction na ganito. Or dito. Alam ko na dito. Ayan, ayan, ayan. Pati nababasa ko din yung ano, yung mga comment. Ayan na, nababasa ko kayo mga alaga ko, ah.
He will show mercy.
The struggle is real.
Your son, James, he's a good kid. Good kid? A good kid.
Tama na daw yun. Gagamagaling ako mag-drive dito, mga anak.
Damn, this nigga must got the baby dead. Like that? Bobby.
Yeah, that's cool. Hey, remember we gotta be careful with these rides, homie. The Simeon ain't about to got my bed here.
Tangina pa eh.
So him and Tiny can smoke crack in peace? Homie, I'm good.
Homie, I'm good.
Hey, dog, we be doing Simeon a disservice if we ain't test these rides out.
You feel me?
Man, there's enough bad credit going around, homie. It's like it's an endless supply in this fucked up ass country.
We going right.
Oh, we filming shit here, huh?
Ay, gago.
What? I hear you. Yeah.
O, di ba hindi pa nasisira yung kotse? Alam ba ka pa, Jigs? Oh my God!
Yeah, whatever you say. If you want to chunk them things. Uh-huh.
Ala, putang ina mo!
Well, in that case, we might as well enjoy ourselves.
Binangga ako, papampam.
Hey, I'll come at you from the shoulders, homie.
Papampam, naiirita ako.
Fine. Yeah, that's cool. Hey, screw you too, homie.
Binangga ako. Ay, putang ina mo.
How the fuck are you in it?
Nakakairita. The fuck? O ngayon kailangan natin magtago sa mga polis, di ba? Kailangan magtago, nina. Dahil ba na muna, nasira na din naman. Wala, gago na, mapalo pa rin nila ako.
You were just a blip. You were just a blip on deer. You were just a blip. You were just a blip on deer.
Gago. Hindi ako makaalis. My gosh. Hindi magtago. Teka nga, punta tago nga ako. Tago muna si sister. Wala akong magawa eh. Boboard ako. Alaga.
I don't get you. You are a racist and I don't like you. And I will not sell you this car. I will
Ulul.
not. You make my skin crawl, you neo-Nazi. Hey, you are all the same. This racist insulted me. Hey, what's up, bro? So, Jimmy, are you sure you are man enough? Take the wheel.
Saan ka papunta?
How about we fall through, huh? This chump change, I'm gonna knock a bad, grown and sexy bitch Frank out of fat piece I can.
Who you trying to impress?
Your auntie Denise with all that ass nigga she got, right?
She grown, yeah. She grown into a fucking idiot.
No, she's
Oh, gusto ko na rin mag-PC.
She more like obsessed with sex, nigga.
Nah, mad for the penis. That's exactly how I like my women.
Man, shit, it's good to be home.
What's up?
Ayoko muna mag-update ng PC kasi sa GTA 6 pa yun na.
Ayun, ba't kumain na natin?
Ay, saan ba ako lalabas? Saan siya lalabas? Saan siya? Lumabas-labas na muna. Mamaya na. Mag-waste na muna.
Man, I'm sorry, boy. Man, fuck this shit, bro.
Saan ako ba punta?
That was your fault.
Try na yun.
Hey, what's up, Simeon?
Hey, what's up, Simeon?
So good to see you. So good.
Marami kang sinasabi si Mew.
Let's go to Best Pizza. What yelling at? Hey, you still rolling with that old raggedy ass here? That country bumpkin shit is enough
Gusto
to
ko
get
maganda
a
yung
shot
kotse
like
ko.
What the fuck is wrong with you, man? How about you drive?
I never took you to be old hairstylist type bitch, but now it's all starting to make sense. Hey, wasn't that motherfucker who took the bike that SA5 dude with the tattoo on his face and shit?
Yeah, that was him.
Fuck, homie. I don't want no unnecessary bullshit here, alright?
I don't give a shit. There's a reason Simeon pays a couple of mean-looking motherfuckers to come repo this shit. We ain't Girl Scouts.
In your case, I ain't so sure about that.